Welcome to the new Season 3 Episode 5 of Breaking Bad drama series. It was the same on the first Breaking Bad. Walter White returns to the meth business despite promising Skyler that he's done for good. Jesse Pinkman, devastated by the death of Jane Coe, continues to struggle with crime and addiction. Meanwhile, the cousins of these mysterious men arrive in Albuquerque to seek revenge on Walter Gomme, but someone higher up orders them to wait. Now, tensions have increased between family, money, and violence. Skyler, meantime, had a covert reunion with Ted Beneke, her supervisor. As their bond deepened, it became clear that Skyler was at last getting over Walter. Although Walter makes an effort to maintain normalcy, he knows deep down that his family is disintegrating quickly. Across town, Jesse Pinkman is constantly falling apart emotionally. Still in a lot of pain from Jane's death, Jesse is constantly partying with strangers in his house. Loud music, drugs, chaos. It's a huge problem. Saul Goodman became worried and told Walter that Jesse was completely out of control. Walter visited Jesse's house and saw complete destruction everywhere. Beer bottles cover the floor. Addicts sit on couches and pass out. The young dealer, once so intelligent, now looks broken and hopeless. Walter tried to talk to Jesse, but Jesse was emotionally devastated. While Jesse is moving forward rapidly, Walter is facing another major challenge. DEA discovers traces leading to its old RV meth lab. Hank Schrader has to try to track down the mysterious blue meth maker. Hank investigated junk shops and the people who were connected to the RV. Walter panicked. If Hank gets that RV, it'll all be over. Walter immediately called Jesse and demanded that the vehicle be destroyed before the DEA could track it down. But Jesse refused to cooperate. He is so emotionally unstable, it doesn't matter anymore. Desperate, Walter races against time to save himself. Back home, Skyler began to take control of her future. Now she is not as afraid of Walter as she was before. Instead, she becomes more calculating and emotionally distant. Walter tried to reassure her that they could still fix their marriage, but Skyler stopped trusting him. She knows that Walter is dangerous. She knows he is hiding something big. And for the first time, Walter realized that he could no longer have any relationship with her. This lack of control is making him very frustrated. Walter built his empire with the belief that he could balance both crime and family. But now, destruction is coming to both worlds. Far away, those fearsome Salamanca cousins continue to prepare for revenge. These silent killers perform rituals in honor of their dead relatives, Topo Salamanca. They sharpen their weapons, gather supplies, and wait in silence for permission to kill Walter White. The tension increases with each scene. These people are very patient. But once they are set free, they are unstoppable. The danger surrounding Walter has grown beyond what he can even imagine. As the episode draws to a close, Walter feels a painful realization. He can't save his marriage. He can't control Jesse. And now he can't escape this criminal world. Walter started going deeper instead of going farther. He contacts Gus Fring and agrees that meth will be used more than ever. This decision changes everything. Walter White is no longer just trying to survive. It is developing. Slowly, that sneaky chemistry teacher disappeared. And something very dark began to take its place. Walter lost more of his family, while gaining more power in the drug world.
The Empire is rising. Secrets, betrayal, transformation.